The big question most people have been asking me is how to lose weight. And today, onwards, I'll be showing you different strategies and tips how you can do it and how you can do it from the comfort of your own home. So today, we're going to keep it simple, keeping it fundamentals. Losing weight have a lot to do with movement, rest, food, and the environment. Also mindset. So we'll be talking about these different strategies throughout the duration of these small little video clips like these. So today what I would like to start off with is the fundamentals. We'll be doing some stretching, warming up the muscles, and we'll be compounding these exercises as the days and weeks and months goes by. So let's just start with a basic warm-up. The basic warm-up will be simple. What we'll do is we'll take our heels and kick our butt like this. Simple. So let's begin. We'll do 20 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Now what we're going to do is lift the foot in the air. High knees. I'll do it from the side so you can see. High knees. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right about now, it's supposed to be starting to feel your muscle becoming very warm in the legs. Next one we're going to do is for the upper body. Keeping the hands out, shoulder length, and we're pulling it back. I'll do it from the side so you can see it much better. Shoulder, we pull it back. And what we're going to do this for 20 times. So every time you do 1, 2, that's 1. Okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you feeling? 1. Push it. 2. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So all about now is how to feel the shoulders, the back is getting warm. The rest of the workout we'll do is actually sitting on a chair, a couch, a stool, at work, or at home. This will be simple to do. We'll be focusing on the core muscles. Everybody has been asking me not just how to lose weight, but how to get rid of that stubborn belly fat. There's many things we could do, but when it comes to movement, these are simple exercises you could do at home to help you achieve that. So I'll demonstrate the first one. Very simple. We will take our elbows and touch our knees. So we can keep the fingers on your ear, on your head, barely touching. I don't really mind, but our goal is to touch our knees. This next hand could be on your hips. Could hold on for more support on the chair, stool, bench, wall, and all we're doing is touch and back, touch and back. If you're ready, I'm ready, and what we're going to do, we're going to shoot for 15. Yes, we're being ambitious here today. We're going for 15. Are you ready? I'm ready, so showtime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. I think we did a lot more than just 15, right? Yeah, we did 20 actually. It was so much fun. We push a little more. Let's do the same thing on the next side. Elbows touching the knees. Again, you'll feel it in the lower abs, the side obliques. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How do you feel? I'm feeling good. Usually I don't like to give any form of rest with these short bursts. You're supposed to start to feel a little tingling in your body starting to build up a little sweat, which is normal. So we're going to do a next exercise, which is very simple. Our goal is to just touch our shin. So keep one of the legs straight. Go 1, 2, 3. Very simple. Very, very simple. If you want to give it much more challenge, try to touch your toes, right? Then it'll be a little more challenging. I'll do the more challenging one. We're doing it for 20 on each side. If you're ready, I'm ready. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful. Really well done. We're going to do a next exercise where we keep our legs straight and we'll bend the knees up towards your chest and back down. Again, you can keep your hands behind for support, front, wherever you feel comfortable. Sit more to the edge and we're going up and down like this, right? Let's begin. We're going for 20. Our goal is to try our best to hit that 20 marker. With your permission, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're almost there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Well done. So what you'll do now is repeat this entire process from the beginning. Are you ready? Oh yeah, you're supposed to be building up a little sweat, and that's okay. That means it's working, okay? So again, hand on the ear, on the head, and we just twist it. Elbows to knees. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. We can do 10 more. Are you with me? Let's stay strong. 1, 2, stay with me. 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 6, 7, 8. Stay with me. 9. One more. 10. Beautiful. Yes. Really well done. I know, it could be a little challenging, but that's what it's all about. Challenging yourself beyond your comfort zone to achieve the goal you want. Again, this whole movement will be with no weights, just using your own body weight for now. And within time, we could introduce much more resistance with weights and bands, etc. So let's dive into the next side. Same thing, hands in the air or on the head, elbows to knees. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Well done. Well done. Repeating the next portion, which is touching your shin, or if you're ambitious, touch your toes side to side. How you feeling? Hope you're feeling well, feeling strong. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. These workouts helps a lot with the lower abs and the side obliques, the love handles. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Could we do 10 more? Yes, we could do 10 more. Let's push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to do one more where we bring the knees towards our chest. You don't have to fully touch your chest, just lifting the knees off the floor. That's what we want. If you're ready, I'm ready. And we're shooting for, again, 20. Hands where you feel comfortable to support you. Be on your heels. And we're bringing the knees towards the chest. With your permission, let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beautiful. Woo. That was a workout. That was a wonderful workout today. Short, sweet. It had your heart rate pumping. You have your blood flowing. Have you sweating. Have you on your journey, accelerated your journey to losing those unwanted weight, especially around the tummy area. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.